Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Chevy Equinox windshield wipers. First, lift the wiper arm gently away from the windshield. Next, find the small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to release the old wiper blade from its attachment point. This initial step ensures you can safely remove the worn blade without damaging the arm or windshield. Once the tab is pressed, carefully slide the old wiper blade off the hook on the wiper arm. It should come off easily. Hold the wiper arm firmly so it doesn't snap back against the windshield, which could cause damage. Set the old blade aside. You'll dispose of it properly later. This step clears the way for your new, clean blade. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This click confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to double-check that it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Proper installation is key for clear vision. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade if you're replacing both. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test the wipers with some washer fluid. Ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. Enjoy your improved visibility and safer driving experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.